Hey everyone, this is Kevin from Aorus, and today we have something pretty exciting to show you guys. It is our RTX 4090. This is the gaming OC. If you're looking for a high level of gaming and you want to kind of get into a performance gaming, then this would be a really great pick. And this is the OC version for our Gigabyte gaming line. Today what we have for you is our RTX 4090 from our Gigabyte line, and this is the gaming OC. And if you're looking for some performance gaming, this could be the card for you. So if you like what you see so far and you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products that we release here at Aorus, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you get the latest updates. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we got inside the box. First off, we have our warranty disc. And this is where you're gonna have find a lot of the installation guides, your warranty card, and your quick start guide. So don't just toss it away. Sometimes it might have some useful information for you. Just keep that in mind. This is a 4-way 16-pin adapter cable. So for those of you who don't already have a power supply with the new 16-pin cable on it, this is going to be very helpful for you. This is the 4-way splitter one, 4-way splitter cable. Next, we also have something we're including in all of our 4090s, and this is going to be a mounting bracket. So the cool thing about this is everyone already knows 4090 is a big card, and a lot of times you're going to have GPU sag, and even though on boards, some of our Aorus boards, you're going to find reinforced PCIe slots, you might need a little extra help, and that's where this comes in. So this screws onto your motherboard standoffs, and it kind of hooks onto the card to help give it some extra support and make sure you're not damaging your motherboard in any way and you don't have GPU sag. And next, let's get to the main course. So as you can see here, this is our 4090 Gigabyte gaming OC. It is a much larger card, but you know, it's still definitely worth it if you're looking to push the performance of your graphic system. We'll go into a brief overview of what kind of features you're going to get on this card. So these are our WindForce patented fans, and you'll see that they actually face opposite directions, and this is to help reduce any sort of dead zone from the card. And it's blowing down onto the heatsink to move as much air as possible and keep your card cool. On the back side, this is our pass-through screen, and you'll notice that there's no PCB, there's no metal backplate on here, and this is just to allow all the extra heat to have the maximum airflow. Basically, this is the vapor chamber, and the vapor chamber for 4090 series has been increased into a larger size to cover all your critical components, your GPU, your VRAM. It has 10 copper pipes leading from the vapor chamber into the now extra large heatsink. So all those copper pipes, everything basically is designed to channel all the heat away from your card. And when it gets to this end, which is with the screen, what happens is all the air is going to pass right through. So it's going to be one of the fastest cooling areas of your heatsink. Each of these fans is 110 millimeters, and this is an increase in the size. So on a base card, this might be something like 100 millimeters, but due to the extreme performance, extreme power, and also the higher thermals as a result, we're going to need a little bit extra help on the cooling. So the gaming OC comes with 2,532 megahertz core clock, 16,000 plus CUDA cores. And some of the new technology for the Ada series is going to be a 4th generation tensor cores. This is where you're going to get all your AI improvements, your AI computing power, and this is going to be double compared to previous generations. It also has 3rd generation ray tracing cores. This is double the ray tracing performance as well. And you also have 24 gigabytes of GDDR6X memory. We heard a lot about double the performance, and I'm sure a lot of you wonder, what does that mean in terms of power? So for 40 series, this is actually a more efficient card. You're getting double the performance at the same power consumption. So if you were to take 30 series and 40 series and put 600 watts into it, you're gonna get double the performance out of 40 series. The recommended PSU for system requirements for RTX 4090 Gaming OC, this is gonna be 1000 watts. That's what we recommend. If you are pushing your system with a lot of high-end components, you're doing a lot of overclocking, you have a lot of stuff going on, the more power the better. So more than 1000 is also kind of recommended. Now that you know the power requirements for this card, I would just like to get into it a little bit on the 16-pin power connector, which is right here. So this is the new format for 4090 series, and we have included the adapter if you need it, but a lot of power supplies nowadays, if you look for it, it's going to be PCIe Gen 5, and that's what you're going to be looking for. Additionally, on the card, we have a small button right here. This is going to be for your dual BIOS, and you have a silent mode and you have an OC mode. As you can see on the back of the card, we have 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. So this is going to be DisplayPort 1.4 and HDMI 2.1. Additionally, you're going to have your favorite feature, the RGB halo lights. This is new on our 40 series. And it's going to be this ring behind each fan. And of course, our card comes with a 4-year warranty. So if you're looking to step into the world of RTX 4090, take advantage of new NVIDIA technology such as DLSS 3 or NVIDIA Reflex, the RTX 4090 Gaming OC is a great way to get your foot in the door. You get really good 4K gaming or extremely good 2K gaming. So if that's what you're looking for, definitely head on over to your favorite e-tailer or retailer and you'll be able to pick one up. So we hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of our RTX 4090 Gaming OC. Please check out other videos in the playlist, and we'll have other videos soon for other 4090 models, other of our cool products, the latest Intel Z790 motherboards, as well as the latest AM5 motherboards. So if you like what you see, you have some questions, or maybe you have some comments or feedback for us, please go ahead and leave it below in the comments, and we'll be sure to get back to you. Well, this is Kevin, and happy gaming.